They're in electric cars, phones, and flashlights. What do these three items all have? If you answered batteries, you're correct. Today, you'll be learning about how different types of batteries work. The first and most common type of battery that is used in phones and computers is a lithium ion battery. A lithium ion battery has a cathode and an anode, like most other batteries. The cathode is the positive side, and the anode is the negative side. When the battery is discharging, the electrons from the anode flow to the cathode as electricity is needed. When the battery starts charging up again, the process is then reversed. The electrons from the cathode flow back to the anode. With the lithium-ion battery, the electrons flow through the lithium salt electrolyte. Over time, the electrons can wear down and not work as well when carrying energy back and forth. That leads to battery degradation, which can harm the battery's long-term use. Lithium batteries have positive and negative qualities. One positive is that these types of batteries have very high energy density that can last for many discharge cycles. One negative, however, is the fact that lots of care is needed to keep these batteries working properly when not in use. To do so, you have to keep these batteries at room temperature and not in any hot or cold environments. Another type of battery is common in flashlights and remotes, the alkaline battery. Unlike lithium-ion batteries, you can't recharge this type of battery. Instead, you dispose it when you're done using it. The technology is roughly the same as lithium-ion batteries, but there are a few differences. First off, the anode is made of manganese dioxide, and the cathode is made of zinc powder. The electrolyte is potassium hydroxide, which is an alkaline, and therefore the name is alkaline batteries. The last type of battery I'm going to talk about is the lead-acid battery, which you'll find in automobiles. Just like the name implies, lead-acid batteries are made with lead sulfuric acid. The advantage with lead-acid batteries is that they keep a consistent voltage and don't lose a lot of power while in use, but they do require a lot of maintenance and have a short life cycle. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to more weekly tech videos. As always, I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.